Native Instruments have just released a product called Cloud Supply. Let's get into it. So what do we have? We have a product called Cloud Supply by Native Instruments. And if you're not familiar with what it is, it's basically part of the Kontakt Play series, hybrid twists on sought after sounds, multi-samples, wavetables, and creative processing chains combined in a powerful, intuitive interface. And so we've had the likes of Lo-Fi Glow, and also we had Analog Dreams is another one, and also Hybrid Keys and Ethereal Earth. Now I have both Analog Dreams and Ethereal Earth and Hybrid Keys, so I kind of like I can demonstrate to you how the Cloud Supply, in terms of tweaking the sounds, how it all works. And so if I just jump on over to the page where they talk about creating hooks with synth keys, plucks, pads, melodic arpeggios, 150 presets, melodic fire for trap, hip hop and drill, and also grime, effortlessly tweak sounds to hit your sweet spot, or dive deep and create your own custom presets, effect chains, and macro control. So I'm just going to show you how it's going to work. I don't actually have this pack, but I'm going to show you how it works by basically using hybrid keys. So I've got a patch up. So let me just delete this. Okay, so we got a patch called Vibes. So basically how it's going to work is, just load it up. You have a blend knob, and so what it does is it goes between the two sounds. Now the Play series basically is made up of two sounds, or it's made up of a sound that's made up of two sounds, if that makes sense. It's one sound made up of two sounds, and so you can use the blend knob to go between the two sounds. So that's like 100% on the tape vibes, and then 100% on the bright mallet side. So if we just go through the presets. So you kind of like get the idea. Same would apply for Cloud Supply. So it's the exact same thing. So this is really good if you're into like trap, drill, grime. If that's your thing, then this is your thing, basically. £44 in the US, probably $44. I'm not sure. I'm not too sure on the pricing. And then in Europe, possibly again similar pricing, around €44. But what I do like about Cloud Supply is the interface. Or I'm always one that's always into the interface. The interface makes your interaction more intuitive, less painful. And so this is really nice to look at. Obviously, you've got a couple of LFOs, got some modulation there, some envelopes, and yeah, this I'm definitely gonna get. I'm gonna get this right now. As soon as I finish this video, I'm gonna get it, and I'm probably gonna make a video with me making a beat using this. Again, hip hop, trap, drill, grime, also. This is just really a quick video just to show you what it's all about. You will need Kontakt Player, the free version of Kontakt, or just Kontakt itself, and you need to have version 6 or on both. And that's basically it. Just a very short video of just me really putting it out there, just trying to get your chins wagging, and just want to get your opinions. Have any of you downloaded this yet? Have any of you made beats with this? I'd really like to know, because from the demos, and I'm not sure if I can play the demos, I don't want to get any strikes or anything like that. So I'd love to play to you what they sound like, but yeah, from what I heard, pretty dope. Produced by, I believe, Snipe Young. So I think he produced what's that one called? Something Drip expansion, and also Golden Kingdom's another one he done. So if you listen to those two expansions, then you know, like, he's the real deal. Really good producer. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not really much to report there other than go out and get it. I'm gonna get it shortly, and if you want a more in-depth video, then watch Not Squared and Stefan Guy. I actually saw Stefan Guy's video that prompted me to have a look and see what this is all about. I haven't seen Not Squared's video yet. No doubt gonna be good also, but yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Yeah, if you like this kind of thing, please let me know. This is the first time I kind of sort of, not even really reviewed, but kind of just showcase the product, kinda, or just not even showcase. I would say first time I've given my opinion on a product. So if this is the kind of thing that you'd like for me to do in the future, then pop a comment below. Give me a like. I would be appreciative of that, obviously. But yeah, that's about it. Until next time, I'll be seeing you around. Peace.